Good evening. I'm Dr. Sherin Jose, consultant dermatologist at Sri Narayani Hospital and Research Center, Vellore. Platelet-rich plasma therapy is a novel regenerative therapy that is being used in various fields of medicine. In cosmetology, platelet-rich plasma therapy is mainly used in the treatment of hair loss, acne scars, and in skin rejuvenation. Today, I'll be discussing with you regarding the role of platelet-rich plasma therapy in the treatment of pattern hair loss or baldness. So first, let me explain what is pattern hair loss or baldness. Pattern hair loss is the most common type of hair loss that is seen in our society. It is a genetic type of hair loss that usually runs in families. It can affect both males and females. In males, it usually presents as a recession of the hairline followed by loss of hair from the front and the top of the scalp, while in females, it usually causes a widening of the central partition of the hairline. So now, what is platelet-rich plasma? Platelet-rich plasma is a product that is derived from your own blood. It contains a small amount of plasma into which lots of platelets are concentrated. So how do these platelets help? Platelets are cells which contains lot of growth factors. These growth factors helps in stimulation and transdifferentiation of your hair and follicle stem cells, thereby resulting in new growth. So if you are a patient with hair loss, you might be wondering if platelet-rich plasma therapy will be effective for you. You can be considered as an ideal candidate for platelet-rich plasma therapy if you are in the early stages of pattern hair loss and if you have no underlying medical conditions. It is important to be in the early stages of pattern hair loss because pattern hair loss usually progresses through different stages. In the initial stages, your follicles continue to produce hair, but these hairs are shorter in length, thinner and lighter in color. As years progresses, your follicles stop producing hair. So PRP will be effective if you are in the stage where your follicles are still producing hair. Once your follicles completely stop producing hair, PRP will not be effective. And also it is important that you do not have any underlying medical conditions. This is because medical conditions like hypothyroidism, iron deficiency anemia or nutritional deficiencies can also lead to hair loss. So all these have to be treated before you start a platelet-rich plasma therapy. So now to tell about the procedure, the first step of the procedure is to produce or to prepare platelet-rich plasma. For this, blood will be drawn from your body and the blood will be centrifuged and the platelets will be separated. And these platelets are suspended in a small amount of plasma. This is platelet-rich plasma. Prior to the procedure, your scalp will be covered with a numbing cream. The application of this cream helps to elevate the pain associated with the injections of PRP. After this, multiple injections of PRP will be made onto your scalp. Post-procedure, you will be given some tablets to elevate your pain and other symptoms. So how many sittings of PRP are usually required? Usually about 3 to 4 sittings of PRP are required at a 1 monthly interval. Follow-up sessions are usually done at an yearly basis. Follow-up sessions are important because platelet-rich plasma therapy is not a permanent solution. Therefore, you need follow-up sessions at an yearly basis to maintain your hair growth. To tell about the results after the procedure, the first result that you see after the procedure will be a decrease in your hair fall, followed by an increased thickness of your existing hairs. And then you will see new growth. The results take around 3 to 6 months to be visible. Are there any major side effects associated with this procedure? PRP can be considered as a very safe procedure because it uses your own blood. Therefore, there is no risk of any allergies. PRP is not associated with any side effects. To conclude, PRP can be considered as a safe and cost-effective procedure for patients with early stages of pattern hair loss. In case of any further queries regarding this procedure or any other cosmetological and dermatological issues, please visit Dermatology Department at Sri Narayani Hospital and Research Center, Vellore. Thank you.